Hello, welcome to UPSC Rainbow. Previous class study about Indian government. So let's start with next topic is state government. You know that in state government we talk about the what is the role of governor, what is the role of the chief minister, and what is the role of Advocate General of India. So let us start with the basic prelims questions. Consider the following statements are correct. Okay. To be to be a governor of a state, person must be citizen of India, be at least 35 years, not 45. These statements are incorrect. Not be a member of the either house of the parliament or the house of the state legislature. Yes. Not hold any other office of profit. These statements are correct. Asking what correct statements. Answer is 1, 3, and 4. Here is not written. Consider the following statements. A governor of a state has executive powers related to administration, appointment, and removal. Yes. Legislative powers related to lawmaking, state legislature, that is a Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad. Yes. Discretionary power to be carried out according to discretion of the government. Yes. 1, 2, 3 are correct statements. Answer is A. With reference to the financial power of the governor, consider the following statements are correct. Money bills can be introduced in the state legislative assembly only on the periodic recommendation of governor. Yes, she also caused to be laid before the state legislature in no financial statement which the state budget. Yes, no demand for the grant shall be made except on her recommendation. Yes, she can make advances out of contingency fund of state to meet any unforeseen expenses. Here it cannot, but it is can. She continues the state finance commission. These statements are correct. Asking for correct statements 1, 2, and 3, 5. So answer is C. Consider the following statements are correct about the governor powers. If no party discretionary power the governor, if no party gets to absolute majority, the governor can use his discretion in selection of the chief minister. Yes. During an emergency, he can override the advice of the council of minister. Yes. She uses his her direction in submitting a report to president regarding the affairs of the state. These statements are incorrect. She can withhold her assent to a bill and send it to president of his approval. Yes, asking or statements 1, 2, and 4. So answer is D. Consider the following. Under which article governor shall declare either that he or she assent to bill or that he she withhold the assent or he reserve the bill. Which of the following statements is delivered because to the article 200. Okay. When a bill is reserved by the governor of the consideration to president, the president will be either give assent, either be withhold, or either return to the governor for reconsideration for us. So 1, 2, 3 are correct statements. So answer is B. Which article takes the place of power of an impeachment of governor to exercise in rare and exceptional circumstances? Impeachment not discard or the removal of the government. So article 156(1). Answer is C. Consider the following statement regarding to Sarkaria Commission certain recommendation in regard to institution of the governor. She should be eminent person. Yes. If she be a person from outside the state. Yes. She must be participated in active politics at least for some time before his or her appointment. These statements are incorrect. If he should be a detached person and not to intimately connected with the local political party. These statements are correct. She should be appointed in consultation with the President of India only. These statements are incorrect. Her tenure of the office must be granted, should not be disturbed except for externally compelling reason if any action to be against him. She must be given reasonable opportunity for showing cause against the grounds on which she should be removed. These statements also correct. So asking about the correct statements. So answer is 1, 2, 4, 6, 7. So answer is A. Consider the following statement about Article 205 lays down. Governor shall, in respect of every financial year, cause be laid before the House a statement of the estimated receipt and expenditure years. No demand for grant shall be made except on the recommendation of Governor. Yes, the Governor shall cause to be laid before the House another statement showing estimate amount expenditure. Yes, the governor may promulgate an ordinance under the certain circumstances. This statement also correct. Asking what correct statements 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is D. Consider the following statements are correct. Incorrectly matched या correctly matched, incorrectly matched. Okay. The governor appoints an advocate general of state. This is not written in Article 177. All executive action of the governor of the state shall be expressed to be taken in the name of governor. This is described in Article 163. These statements are correct. The governor shall from time to time summon the prorogate the House dissolved legislative assembly. It is written about the 200, so 170 is incorrect. A special address to the House of the Governor by 176. Yes, the Governor assents with whole assent reserve reconsideration of the bill is written in Article 196. This statement is also wrong. Asking about incorrect statement, so 135 answer is C. Consider the following statement with regard to Chief Minister are correct. Chief Minister is the chief architect of the all policy related to state administration. These statements are correct. These policies are determined on the basis of the cabinet decision. Yes, as a matter of the principle, all ministries must agree to decision of the cabinet. Yes, the chief minister has to settle the differences and maintain harmony, understanding between the department and her colleague. Yes, he meets the governor of the state from time to time and inform her about decision taken in the cabinet development administrative. This statement is also correct. Asking about correct statements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is B. Consider the following statement is correct regarding the state cabinet and chief minister. When a decision is arrived at by the cabinet, it is a task by secretary of the concerned department to implement that particular decision. These statements are correct. The chief secretary plays an effective supervision role as the most important cases of the various departments are sent to chief secretary for the final decision for the onward transmission to the CM or concerned minister. The statements are correct. All important cases involving adoption of new scheme have to be approved by chief secretary. As he is also empowered to ask of any paper relating to any case of any department. Such a request has to be compiled with the vice secretary of the department concerned. Yes, in the central government, although the prime minister has a few minister department under him her, the convention regarding the cabinet secretary has been otherwise. The statements are correct. The cabinet secretary is a not administrative head of any specific executive department except of the course of cabinet secretariat. These statements are correct. On the other hand, the state level, the chief secretariat is generally the administrative head of few departments, the most important among them being general administration, personal administrative, and reform and planning. The statements are also correct. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are correct statements. So answer is D. Which of the following having a legislative council in the Andhra Pradesh is there? Bihar is there. You having the Uttar Pradesh. These statements Maharashtra, Jammu Kashmir, previous there but presently is bifurcated into two parts. So this statement in Tamil Nadu is not there. Asking what the which of the following that one Maharashtra is there. One, two, three, four is not there. Five Karnataka is there. Okay, and Uttar Pradesh is also there, and seven is not there. So answer is one, two, three, 5 and 6. So 1 2 3 5 6. So answer is B. To be a member of the state legislature, a person should be citizen of India. Yes, not less than 25 years of age of the member of legislative assembly. Yes, as not to be less than 30 years to be the member of legislative council. Yes. So asking what the correct statements, answer is D 1 2 3. To become a member of the Vidhan Sabha, also known as the Legislative Assembly, a person must be citizen of India, not less than 25 years, not 30 years. Should be mentally sound and should not be bankrupt. The statements are correct. Should also state affidavit that there are no criminal procedure against him her. These statements are incorrect. Asking what incorrect statements. So 1 and 3. So answer is A. Consider the following statement in regard to power of Vidhan Sabha. A motion of no confidence against the government in the state can only be introduced in the Vidhan Sabha. These statements are correct. A many bill can be introduced in the only Vidhan Sabha. Yes, in bicameral jurisdiction after it passed the Vidhan Sabha, it is sent to the Vidhan Parishad where it can be kept to maximum 14 days unless it is passed by the finance minister of the state in the name of the governor of the state. These statements are correct. In matter related to ordinary bill, the bill be legislative assembly prevail. There is no provision of joint sitting. Yes, legislative council can delay legislation by maximum 4 months, 3 months in first and 1 month in second bill. These statements are correct. So 1 2 3 4 5 are correct statements. So answer is B. The size of the Vidhan Parishad cannot be more than 1/3 of the membership of the Vidhan Sabha. These statements are correct. 3/4 the members of Vidhan Sabha. This is correct. Half of the member, 2/3, no, 1/3. So answer is only C. A answer. Consider the member of legislative council are chosen following member. 1/6 is elected by member of local bodies such as corporation, municipality, Jila Parishad. These statements are incorrect. Correct. Okay. 1/6 is elected by member of legislative assembly from among the person who are not member of the assembly. These statements are incorrect because it is 1/3, not 1/6. 1/12 is elected by the person who are the graduate of 3 years standing. These statements are correct. 1/12 of the elected of the person engaged for the at least 3 years in teaching of educational institution within the state and not lower than secondary school including college and university. This is correct. 1/3 of the 1/6 nominated by the governor. So fifth also correct. Asking what incorrect statements. So 2 and 5 are incorrect. So answer is A. Consider the following statement in regard to establishment of Vidhan Parishad. The Legislative Council is a permanent body, cannot be dissolved. These statements are correct. Each member of Legislative Council serve for the 6th year, not 5 years. The term of 1/3 of council member expire in every 2 years. The statements are correct. So asking or correct statements 1 and 3. Answer is B. Consider the following statement with respect to the function of Vidhan Sabha. The most important function of legislature is law making. Yes, a state legislature can make power to make the laws on all items which parliament cannot legislate. These statements are correct because it asking about the state and concurrent list. Bills can be originated in only legislative assembly. Which of the following statements are correct? The statements are correct. The Legislative Council can either pass the bill within 40 days of the date of receipt of the bill, if in case of the money bill, yes. The state legislature take part in the process of amendment of our constitution. These statements are correct in the special majority case. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are correct statements. So answer is D. Thank you for that.